Hi guys, I'm Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have an unboxing from Portland Leather Goods. And let me tell you, I am so stinking excited about this box right now. You have no idea. Partly because this is my first package from my first order from Portland Leather Goods, and partly because this is going to be my first like real actual purse. I know that sounds crazy, but like my first big girl bag, which is so silly because I'm almost 40 and this is going to be my first one. I've been walking around with, I don't know, just not, little bags that are not that great. Oh my gosh, I can already smell this. This is what it looks like when I'm opening it up. And oh my gosh, as soon as I opened these flaps, you could smell the leather. I know everyone always talks about smelling it, and it's true. It really is, because I can smell it like nuts as soon as I open this. Okay, so I gotta tell you, I actually bought something and then immediately after, like 2 or 3 days later, I placed a second order for something else, for an art bag. That's my plan. That's what I'm calling it, is an art bag. And that's what arrived today. It's not the first thing I ordered, it's the second. So I'm super, super excited. This is my second order. I haven't even opened the first, but I'm opening my second. Wait till you see this though. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now this is the Lola bag. And this is, I guess, the regular size in vintage pink with a zipper. Now, part of what has always kept me from ordering bags before and getting purses and bags is I like vintage and I like leather. And it's not cheap. Vintage and leather are not cheap, but Portland Leather Goods is actually extremely reasonably priced. And I kept reading about how good their quality is. So I had to take the dive, and I have to say, I am really, really excited about this. And I think they are right. This is great quality. I think it's a little bit more of a grayish pink than what I expected. I expected it to be very like cherry blossom pink. And I think it's actually showing up pretty true to color on the camera right now. It's maybe a little bit more gray than what the camera is picking up. But they have two options on their website. You can either get things as almost perfect or as premium. And I don't know that it calls it premium, but it's just like the regular option. It's supposed to be, everybody online calls it premium. And it's basically like their best one. The almost perfect is bags that have a slight defect. And I was originally looking at the almost perfect because everybody says that they come out great. But I ended up using a 30% off discount code that I got from another YouTuber. They had posted it in their description, and I followed it and I got 30% off. And the 30% off brings the premium or the best of their stuff down to be almost the same price as the almost perfect. And it was $4 difference to get the premium versus the not premium, which, you know, I'm okay with some little things that aren't perfect. I'm all right with that. But there's always the chance you could get something that just has maybe a big mar in an ugly spot or something like that. You know, I didn't want to, I figured $4 was worth getting something that was supposed to be the best. I have no problem with spending $4 to do that. I got a second thing as well. So let's take a look at that. And this also I got as premium. And this actually was cheaper to buy as premium with the discount, with the 30% off, as opposed to paying, I think it was like 60 cents more to get it as almost perfect. So of course I'm going to get the perfect one if we're going to get, I'm going to get the premium one if we're talking about spending less money for perfect. And this is really cool. You squeeze it and it just pops open. It's like a little change pouch type thing. At least that's what I'm planning to use it for, is change. So maybe a little big for just change, but I think it'll be okay. And this is in the color Baja. And it is very, very soft. Both of these are soft. This is more of a smooth leather, and it's very, very little amount of texture. I'll try to hold it up so you can really see that, but it's very smooth. Whereas this is very pebbly. And typically, the more pebbly, the more squishy. But these are both pretty equal, I would say, in terms of squishiness. I have another thing in my box too that I forgot about, so I gotta show you that as well. But yeah, that was actually cheaper to get as premium versus almost perfect, which, by the way, I am going to put it's not an affiliate link, it's a referral link. Everybody gets one, but I'm going to put mine in the description box down below. And if you decide to order from them, you know, it will give you that 30% off that I got through the other person. And it'll also give me a little bonus as well. So much appreciated if you do decide to order from them. All right, let's see what this next item is. It is the canvas bag organizer. And you can see it comes with a little silicone pocket thing to keep everything from, you know, a little silicone desiccant bag. That's what they're called. Yeah, not really part of the allure there. But we got lots and lots of pockets. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, 3 on the side and 2 on this side, plus then the big main open spot. And then you've got 2 pockets on one side on the outer bit and 1 pocket on this side of the outer portion. And this just goes right down inside your bag. So I did look at all of the information to make sure I was getting the right size, which this was the medium bag organizer. And that is what the website recommended for I don't want to say small Lola, but there's 2 sizes, and one is large and the other one is not labeled. So the normal size Lola, I guess. But that is what they recommended for the Lola bag. So that is what I ordered. And I'm just trying to work it all down into the corners here. But it looks like it is just about an exact match to where you'll be able to zip up the top over it. So there we go. And I got it in the color Sesame. which is kind of like this kind of golden color. And the one thing, I did look at bag organizers on other sites, you know, big box sites like Amazon. And the one thing that I noticed is that they were all felt, like that polyester felt. And I do not like felt or polyester felt, especially polyester felt. I don't like polyester felt. I do like canvas though, and this was canvas, and I was so impressed, and I thought, you know what? I want my bag lining, my little organizer thing to be canvas, especially for such a nice leather bag. Come on, canvas. Okay, so now I got to show you. It zipped up inside there, and I have to say, their zippers are so pretty. They are, I think they're supposed to be brass zippers, but they are just this beautiful golden color. I don't know, maybe they're supposed to be gold plated or something. I'm not sure, but they are such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And the bag hardware does actually look like it's probably brass, but it doesn't really clash with the zipper at all. I think it's quite nice. I'm really excited for it. And I'm going to be using this as my weekend kind of a bag. That sounds so weird. I'm going from, okay, I got to show you what I'm going from. This being my only purse. It is just a vintage thrift store find. Yeah, nothing special. It's like a canvas bag that I got from the thrift store. And I'm upgrading to not one, but 2 real bags. And you're going to have to come back and visit me again to see the other one when it gets here, because I'm definitely going to post that too. And it's an entirely different bag. It's not a tote style bag. It is completely different. So I can't wait to share that one with you guys. But this one is just gorgeous. I want to zoom you out so that you can see, get a really good look at this. But it is really nice. And I was a little bit worried that the straps might be kind of thin, but they don't seem that thin. And I guess I'm going to have to try it on for you guys so that you can see how it looks. But this is going to be like my weekend kind of an art bag, so that I can put all of my stuff, like my watercolor paints and stuff like that, in it, and we can go out to the parks. I'm gonna lift you up and zoom you out, move you over some, and then I can put all my watercolor stuff in here. But yeah, then I can bring this to the park with us, and everybody can run around and zoom you, maybe put you down just a little bit so you can see. Everybody can run around, and I can be doing my watercolor painting, and got everything here that I need. I think it's really cute. I'm really excited about it. Don't mind my, get up here right now, but I love it. I can't wait to use it. Okay, so I had to run and go grab all of my stuff real quick to put into it so I can show you, and we can see how good everything fits. Got obviously the little, here, maybe I can put you into a downward position so you can see better. There we go. And zoom you out. There we go. All right, so we've got the little change purse thing, and I'm going to stick that right there. This is a great big old honkin' roll that I've got my paintbrushes and a palette in, so I can stick that right here. And I've got this is a ceramic, it's also a palette, but it's got all of my paints in it. So I can stick this down in there as well. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna have to be careful with this because I don't want to bang it down and hurt anything. So that fits in there. This kind of sticks out the top. I accidentally got the smaller sized Lola when I had looked at the information, the measurements for the larger size, but that's okay. I can still make it work. I've got my eraser that can go into one of these little pockets. I still have plenty of room to stick a watercolor tablet right down into this area, or I could stick it on the outside, like right along here. Now I won't be able to zip it up with this in here, and I can't really, it still won't fit even if I lay it sideways just because my paintbrushes are too long, but that's because they're extra long paintbrushes. And I think that looks fine though, to have it like stick out just a little bit at the front. And like I said, there's plenty of room to put my watercolor tablet in there and to still put my wallet and anything else that I could possibly need in there, my eyeglass case, and there's just a plethora of room in there. So I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to try it out this weekend because you know I will be. I think that could button over the top if I wanted it to, but I'm not too worried about it. And I could probably still half zip that. So it still closes partway. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I think that looks fantastic. Tell me what you think. Should I have gotten the larger bag, or do you think this one is actually a good fit? Like I said, it is going to be mainly for going out to the parks and stuff, and I think that it'll be good for that. So I'm excited. Yay! Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Have you ever gotten a bag from Portland Leather Goods before? Are you going to check them out? Oh my gosh, I think I'm addicted. I do. I've just now discovered them, and I ordered one thing and then I immediately had to order this like 3 days later. This, by the way, is my Valentine's Day present. I told my husband this is what I wanted. So one day when I was sick with the flu and I was just really feeling blah, I told him, I want this for Valentine's Day. And he was like, okay, get it. So that's what I got. Tell me what you think though. Oh, and also I've seen everybody keeps adding like flair, I guess is what they call it. Can you tell that I'm new to handbags and purses and stuff? Because I'm so not cool with this stuff. But I'm like completely out of the loop. But I think I need some strawberry flair. What do you think? I don't know where I'm going to get it, but I need some, like, especially if it was leather strawberries. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll try making some. You know me, I got to try making stuff. But wouldn't that be cute? Some little strawberry flair to hang down right here and a tassel, a little pink tassel. I think just a little bit darker color pink than what this is. Wouldn't that be awesome? I think that's my plan. I've just got to figure out how to make it happen. Tell me your ideas. Tell me how you would decorate it, because yeah, I'm going to need some help. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.